Drifting into dreamland. Understanding, doze off for a bit. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's all about rest, but might have left some of you scratching your heads. Doze off for a bit. Stick around to find out what it means, how to use it, and why it's such a cozy part of the English language. To doze off means to fall into a light sleep, especially when you didn't intend to. Imagine you're sitting on a comfy couch, reading a book or watching TV, and before you know it, your eyes close, and you're lightly sleeping. That's dozing off. Adding for a bit to the phrase simply means that this light sleep is for a short period of time. It's not a deep, long sleep, but rather a brief nod off. People doze off for a bit in various situations, usually when they're not in bed trying to sleep for the night. Common scenarios include sitting in a cozy chair after a long day of work, riding on a bus or train during a commute, during a quiet moment, such as when reading or watching something mildly engaging. It's a natural response when you're tired but not quite ready for a full sleep. Now that we know what it means, let's put doze off for a bit into action. Here are a few examples. I was so exhausted after the hike that I dozed off for a bit as soon as I sat down on the sofa. During the lecture, I noticed my friend dozing off for a bit, missing the professor's main points. It's perfectly okay to doze off for a bit during a long flight. It helps pass the time. Understanding and using the phrase, doze off for a bit, is not just about language learning. It's a reminder of the importance of rest in our daily lives. Dozing off, especially when unplanned, is a sign from our bodies that we need a break. It's a natural, healthy response to rest and recharge, even if just for a few moments. And that's a wrap on Doze Off for a Bit. We hope this video has enlightened you on this charming phrase that describes a brief journey to the land of Nod. Remember, it's more than just a phrase. It's a reminder to listen to your body and allow yourself those little breaks. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. Sweet dreams, and see you in the next video.